So we're here at the second London Laser Lab session. London Laser Labs is a student-led takeover of London Laser, which has been going since 2014. So this night's theme is Liminal Bodies. And that's basically thinking about the future of the body, where the self is going in both the material sense and obviously a philosophical sense as well. So we're kicking off today with a session with Bento Bio, who create these beautiful kits where people can extract their own DNA and basically take the data from it. So that's the technical informatic side of things. And then what we've also got is a series of 4 different stations, cutely named ATCG, where people can start to really reflect on what DNA means to them and what that data means to them.
So yeah, I'm Philip from Bento Lab. We're going to do a DNA extraction today using this all-in-one DNA analysis laboratory experiment to analyze your genetic profile from saliva. So we're just doing the DNA extraction today, and we're also showing some other bits and pieces of experimental procedure along the way.
Well, I'm thinking about what I call the anatomy of a choice. So I want people to think about how when we have access to information about our genetic data, how it can lead us to make decisions that then lead on to other decisions, and the complications and the complexity of the choices that we have to make. So I've made a little game, quite serious take on a game, to look at what a person might feel when they have to recognize the medical response that they might have to finding out that they carry a BRCA mutation.
So for my consultation table, I'm going to do a performance, and I will show the road to my audience how they're gonna learn about or understand about the DNA.
I'm going to be talking about comparative genomics and how related human DNA is to other plants and animals.
Tonight, I'm going to be talking about personal DNA, including ancestry and genealogy, and including Neanderthal ancestry that most people in the world have.
Finally, in response to Stephen Orum's story, we're delighted to have some graduates of the MA Art and Science. So Jill Mueller and Julie Light will lead our audience in story making. So not only do they get to hear these speakers and think and ask questions, they're going to get a chance to create their own future narrative.